Hello and welcome to Campus of Fashion. My name is EJ McPherson. This video is to help with some challenges that one of my subscribers had with the grid. She said that her grid is more subdivided more than the one that I had on the screen. So hopefully this will help with the issue of having a different um, grid than what I had on my screen. So the first thing, we have our workspace open, and the first thing you want to be sure that you have on is your rulers. So you're going to come to View, Show, and then your rulers should be checked that it is on. So mine's is on. And the next thing you're going to do is up right here in the corner of the ruler. Mine says pixels. I need to change that to inches. So we're going to right click, select inches, and now we're set for inches. So now we need to turn on our grid and make sure that it's 1 by 1 inch, 1 inch by 1 inch squares. So we're going to come to View. We're going to come to Grid Access. And in the grid access, it has tabs here that say automatic, basic, advanced, and cube. We are going to click on the one that says basic. And you see it changes it to 1 inch by 1 inch. And now we're going to select show grid. So you can kind of see in the background of this that the grid is now 1 inch by 1 inch, just the squares. But we need to add the divided parts, which is like the quarter of an inch, so that we have those separate quarter inch slots. So we're going to change the division to 4. So that means we want that 1 inch square or that 1 inch spacing to be divided into 4. And once you put 4, just click enter and it automatically changes it. Now, of course, you can, like I stated in the front bodice video, you can have the lines change to the different colors. So as you can see, the 1 inch square outline is red, and then the divided parts are all blue. Okay, and then once you're done setting that up, you click close, and then you should be good to go with creating the 1 inch to 1 inch. So like if I decided I wanted to click here, you can see that it will be 1 inch. Okay. Hopefully this helps answer any questions regarding the grid. If you do have any additional questions, please feel free to comment. Also like, share, and subscribe. And again, my name is EJ McPherson from Campus of Fashion. Until next time, bye.